taking some vitamins. So today I'm making food in quarantine. I'm gonna be making a chicken mac and cheese quesadilla, which sounds pretty fire. I thought of it last night when I was hungry. Didn't get up and make it because it was like 2 and I was hungry, but I was like falling asleep, so yeah. But right now I'm boiling the water. And obviously just for the quesadilla, it's chicken and cheese and taco shell base. Here's my chicken, here's my cheese, quesadilla. And of course mac and cheese. And now I'm literally just waiting for the water to boil so I can put my noodles in, make my mac and cheese, and then when I'm making my quesadilla, I'm gonna incorporate the mac and cheese. But here's what I don't like. I don't like mixing cheeses in my mac and cheese. I like just like American cheese and Kraft mac and cheese. So I think I'm going to use a different kind of cheese than this because I don't like cheddar in my mac and cheese. I don't think it goes well. So I think I'm just gonna try some strips of string cheese and then some American cheese. I hope it's good. Now I've made a mac and quesadilla before, and it was okay, but this has chicken in it, and I'm changing up the cheese, so hopefully it's better. Yeah. Okay, so I was gonna say drowning the noodles. I'm washing them. I'm getting rid of the water. Now I feel like the time is perfect to start making the quesadilla. And I'm gonna continue to make my mac and cheese. Mac and cheese done. Waiting for this to heat up. I decided against this cheese because I already think it's gonna be super full because it's like a tiny quesadilla with like a ton of stuff I'm trying to put on it. So now I'm waiting for this to melt. Now the cheese is kind of melted, so I'm gonna add the chicken. And I also added some of the mac, and I'm gonna add a little bit more chicken. And I think I definitely have room for like more supplies for more of the quesadillas, so I'm gonna fold it, or try to. Oh my gosh, just like I remember this thing is thick. I'm gonna start on making the other one, and then I'm gonna eat it. So if I have them done, and obviously I'm gonna save the mac, because why would you throw away perfectly good mac and cheese? And now finally to try this fantastic food that I made. Oh my gosh. It's pretty good. And the chicken with it. It's really good too. I will say this is like a super carby thing. So like, I'm pretty sure just one of these will fill me up. But still, like, it's really good. Thank you for watching.